Hello, my name is Mani Pratiksha Machandra, and our today's video topic is life cycle of exception handling in Java. Whenever inside a method, if any exception has occurred, the method create an object known as an exception object and hands it off to a runtime system, that is JVM. The execution the exception of object contains the name and description of the exception and the current state of the program is where the exception is has been occurred, created an exception object and handle it the runtime system called throwing the exception. There is might be a list of the method that had been called to get the method where an exception occurred. This ordered list of the method is called stack, calling a stack. The next is the runtime system search the call stack to find the method that contains the block of code that can be handled that occurred exception. The block the block of code is called exception handler. The runtime system this handler handled by try and catch block. The runtime system starts searching for the method in which the exception occurred. The proceed through the call the stack in the in the reverse order in which method were called. Then it is find an appropriate handler. Then it passes the occurred exception to it, and then appropriate handler means the type of the exception object thrown match the type of exception object to it can handle. That is, if our array is 3 size, then it shows the exception like array index is out of bound, and then this kind of then another is string index out of bound. This kind of exception will different the happen. It is the runtime system search all the method on the stack, call the call stack, and the could not have the found the appropriate handler. Then run the time system hand over the exception object to the default exception handler, which is the part of the runtime system. This is the life cycle of the exception handler. Thank you.